Welcome back, everybody. So it's been a while, and last episode, I forgot to show you guys the elimination paper. So here's the elimination paper for Total Drama Island Randomized, Episode 7. Coolio, got it all in your head? Good. Alright. Moving on to Total Drama Island Randomized, Episode 8. Today, we're down to the final 16, where on Screaming Gophers, they have 9 people in Beth, Cody, Duncan, Eva, Ezekiel, Heather, Katie, Noah, and Trent, while on the Killer Bass, they're left with 7 in DJ, Jeff, Harold, Izzy, Owen, and Trent. So, now let's begin the challenge. The challenge is that each person will, that the teams will split up into 3 groups. On the Killer Bass, it's going to be 3 groups of 3. I know, on the Screaming Gophers, 3 groups of 3. And on the Killer Bass, it's going to be 2 groups of 2, and then 1 group of 3, which equals the amount of players on each side. So, moving on to the Screaming Gophers. Group number 1 consists of Duncan, Cody, and Noah. That's group number 1. Group number 2 on the Screaming Gophers. We got Heather, Katie, and Tyler. It's another group. So that means the 3 other people are Beth, Eva, and Zeke. So these are the teams. These are the groups these are the groups for the first one. For the Killer Bass, the first group is Harold, DJ, and Trent. So, let's just get Jeff and Gwen out of the way. Put Trent up here. And that's group number 1. Group number 2 on the Killer Bass consists of Jeff and Izzy. Which means group number 3 is Owen and Gwen. These groups will participate in a series of challenges. The first one is get to Boney Island, walk to the other side of Boney Island, and then get back to camp from the other side of Boney Island. So, there are 6 teams, 3 teams on each side, and the first team to get all of their teams to complete one task win a point. And if by the first 2 tasks, one team completes them first, then that team wins immunity. The first team to get 2 points wins. So, with Get to Boney Island, the first place team is Killer Bass is Killer Bass. Then the Screaming Gophers. Then the Screaming Gophers. Then the Killer Bass. So right now we're 2-2 teams. So it's either the Screaming Gophers, who needs one more team to win, and then this Killer Bass, who need one more team to win. The first point goes to the Screaming Gophers. Congrats. So the Screaming Gophers have earned their first point. One more, they win the challenge. So the next challenge is walk to the other side of Boney Island. So the first team is Killer Bass. Then Screaming Gophers. Another team from Screaming Gophers gets there. Now another team from Killer Bass gets there. So right now we're 2-2. One more team on each side needs to get there. The next team to get there is the Killer Bass. So the Screaming Gophers and the Killer Bass are now tied with 1 each. It's down to get back to camp. The first team to get all of their members on the other side wins. So, first place is one of the Screaming Gophers team. Then the Killer Bass. The Killer Bass again. So, the Killer Bass need one more team to win, while the Screaming Gophers still need 2 more. The Screaming Gophers get 1 team there. So right now we're 1-1. This is the deciding one. It's down to Killer Bass team number 2. So Jeff and Izzy versus versus Screaming Gophers number 1 in Duncan, Noah, and Cody. The first team to get there is Izzy and Jeff, giving the Killer Bass immunity into the final 15. So, we'll just move you all. You all can leave. So now, the Killer Bass are up for elimination. Let's put you guys in alphabetical order. So, Bess, then Cody, Duncan, Ezekiel, and Eva just squeezes right there. Heather, Katie, Noah, and Tyler. Alright, guys. We got 8 marshmallows right here. One of you 9 will not get a marshmallow and will be eliminated over with those guys. Well, technically girls, but right now the eliminated contestants have a ratio of 5-to-1. Girls with the 5. So, let's begin the elimination. With 0 votes against them, Duncan, Eva, and Ezekiel, you all are safe. We're down to 6 people left. The next 4 people safe with 1 vote is Beth, Cody, Noah, and Tyler. Congrats, you all are safe. Now it's down to Heather and Katie. The last person safe with 2 votes against them is Katie. Heather, you have been eliminated with 3 votes against you. Sorry. Just move you a little bit like that. Alright. Alright. See you all next time on Total Drama Island Randomized. But this time I will remember to show you guys the paper. Alright? Got it? Yep. Alright, cool. So, we're down to our final 15. Who are you guys rooting to win? Type it in the comments below. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.